some updates on the business verification program that I've been talking about. Probably the most thing we're talking about this whole year besides Google My Business stuff. So a few things I just want to point out. So advertisers who are required to complete the program are now given 21 days instead of 30 days. So that's what it says here. On the about verification, it still says 30 days. That's a terrible circle. Anyways, but it says now if you are selected. So you're going to be reached out by Google. More than likely, like my clients, they're going to get these alerts. So they're going to fill this out. They're going to get selected. I'm sure that this will be everybody, no matter what. You're going to have to fill out the verification program. Currently, only available to advertisers in the US. So links to these descriptions, links to these pages, and a link in the description down below. Keep an eye on it. Keep an eye on your emails. If you get something from Google, just don't delete it. If you have an in-house or you outsource your advertising, make sure your marketer is aware of these new rules and these regulations that are coming out, because it will, like it says here, failed attempts to complete the verification program. Multiple failed attempts to complete the verification program may result in your ads not serving. So that's definitely something you don't want to do, because for a lot of you companies not running Google ads, you lose a lot of money. For all things Google, feel free to follow me, Tech Tony, here on YouTube. Take care.